Hey there, welcome back to Paper Sketch Anime Channel with me, your inexperienced beginner artist Darsa. First and foremost, I would like to thank my first subscriber for subbing my very first YouTube channel. Much appreciated to whomever you are. So, how's my drawing progress going, as you might ask? Well, as you can see, I am still struggling with upper torso area with the names and shapes of various human muscles. It's like going back to school all over again. But I do enjoy the process of seeing my understanding of human anatomy is growing. Well, that's kinda count for something, right? Even on the days when I'm really drained from after work, I still manage to squeeze a single sketch, trying so hard not to skip a single day while drawing. So what's the next week routine going to be? Well, I'm still focusing on studying and sketching the upper torso area and add more drawings of arms and hands for mix. You can really see how bad my arms and hands are, either hit or miss. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more weekly updates. Stay safe and good night.